Handle.
Ready? You ready?
You better be for real too.
Are you recording right now?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay. Okay, up 14, let's check the scene. Homie's favorite position is double team. Let's skip ahead a couple weeks. Weed and ecstasy is what I seek. I'm heading downhill and I haven't noticed because the dick pounding in me makes me lose my focus. Ran away from home to be a hoe, and I can't believe the reason is because of Joe. Now I'm in this life making hella money. Pimps take it from me and I'm looking funny, so I moved to Texas hoping it'll get better. Never even thinking of sending moms a letter, but it never gets good, it only gets worse. My busted lips bleeding and my black eye hurts. Pimp says he's trying to teach me some respect, so he gave me some heroin to inject. You may think I'm weak, but I think it's whack. The whole time I was there, I was smoking crack. You can't get on my level, and that's a fact. I'm trying to make up for the things I lack.
Damn, hey, who the fuck said it was a whack MC? Why is it a whack MC?
Why? Because I heard those things out on the radio.
That's a fucking lie.
That's easy.
That's easy. Was that good? Hey, you thought that was good?
How the fuck is that easy?
Hey, slap that hoe.
Not that.